Your English is interesting. Can you tell us how you learned English?
Really, I'm very smart girl. Yeah, I'm very smart, and I began English very little time, but I learned faster. I learned faster English because I notice and focus on all sentences that I learning, and I repeat and repeat very much.
Do you want to read?
What? Yes. Okay. Okay.
Let's read, huh? Let's
I
do
wanna read.
something. Let's practice English, right? We're here to learn English.
Yes. Yes. Who is Ash?
This is a monologue and this is a character from this play. This is a play.
I'm very worried to finish this and my phone being turned off. Yeah.
My battery is almost dead.
My battery is almost dead. Yeah, I gotcha. But I can do communicate. I'm very happy. I can understand you. Yeah, you can understand my sentence. That's very great, I think.